How to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming and improve your gaming performance. First, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Next, update your graphics drivers. If you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, install the latest driver from their official software. After that, turn on Game Mode. Open Settings, go to Gaming, click Game Mode, and turn it on. Now, disable unnecessary startup apps. Open Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps tab, and disable apps you don't need. Go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics, then click Default Graphics Settings and turn it on. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. That's it. Your Windows 11 should now run games more smoothly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.